What's up, guys? What's up, guys? You're the Burping King here. Back another video, and today we are doing part 6. Part 6, yes. Let me go get my drink, and yeah, I'll continue. Alright, guys, I am back. Okay, I got some orange juice, and let's do this. Now. Alright, guys. Here we go. 5-minute video. Now. God. That was loud, wasn't it? God. Okay. Still going. You're good. Okay, more out. One. God. Woo. There you go. The louder the better.
Wow.
God! Hey, Tommy, aren't they loud? There we go.
Wow.
Probably my loudest one yet. Hey, what do you think of my burps? Hey guys, comment down below what do you think about them. Are they amazing? Just whatever you want.
Wow.
One second.
Yeah.
Holy cow. That was a good one. Hopefully your headphone users don't go deaf from this. I mean, if I was outside, it'd be definitely louder, but you can tell it's loud. Hopefully. One more.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Alright, guys. I think that'll be it for this one. Hope you guys had a good time watching it and reacting to my video. And I hope those burps were exciting and loud and breathtaking. And yeah, I think this will be it for this one. And I'll see you guys later. All right, peace.